right, in this video we're going to go over how to add interior walls to your first floor plan, okay? What you need for this is you need tape, so you guys have those rolls of tape I gave you, a pencil, a ruler, a scissors, and then you need the double-sided graph paper that's in your kits, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to worry about just the interior walls on your floor plan. So all these outside walls here, I'm not going to worry about right now because I'm going to add those at the end. So we're just going to worry about the interior walls. Be cautious though, like this is my patio. This is an exterior wall right here because that's a patio, so it's outside. So I would not do that wall, okay? But all these like closets and all the walls on the inside, I will add a 3D wall to it, as you can see with these ones here. Okay, and you can see I have a closet there, and I've got a door. So, put the camera down here. Okay, so if I'm going to do this wall next, okay, it's an interior wall, I'm going to count how many squares. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It's 12 long. I'm going to come to my graph paper here. Now I'm going to make mine 14 squares high. We're going to do 12-foot ceilings, or 12-foot, walls in our house. And what I did is I actually made it so that I folded the top over so that I can attach the second floor easier. And on the bottom here, you can see I folded it so it's easier to tape. So I created one of the squares on the top as a kind of a tab, and one of them on the bottom as a tab. So I'm going to make it 14 high, and then I need it 12 wide. So I'm just going to come over here. So 12 wide is 3 of these, because they're 4 each. And then 14 high. Okay, and I'm going to cut that out. Okay, now with my ruler and pencil, the tabs are much easier to fold if you actually take your pencil and draw them out. Or your flat edge if you don't have a ruler. So I'm just drawing right on the line where I want the tabs to go. Okay, and then I'm going to fold it over on those lines. Okay, and I'm going to come to my floor plan here, and I'm going to take it, place it where it needs to go, and then tape it down. Okay, and I've got my wall right there. And you can see the walkway through there that goes there as part of my plan. And if you ever see any other edges coming out, just add a little more tape. All right, so now I'm going to do a wall that has a door on it, just to show you guys. This one I can't do because it's a covered porch, so that's actually going to be an exterior wall. This wall I can do, though. It's super long. I actually might do them. I could either do the whole wall at one time, or I could do it room by room, because I've got a bunch of different little walls here. I might do it room by room just because it's easier. So I'll work on the laundry room next to show you how to do another interior wall with a door. Okay, so my laundry room, one wall is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet wide and 10 feet long. And I'm going to fold them so I can actually do okay, so I can actually go over. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to actually draw that because that's where that wall is going to fold. So that's the 5 feet. And then 10 feet. And that's where I'm going to cut. Okay, so I'm going to cut this box out, and then it's going to fold on that line. Okay, so I've got it folded now. Now I need to add just a little slit for the bottom, for the one bottom row that I'm going to fold up as my tabs. So I'm just going to add one little cut in the slit. Okay. Add my lines so that I can fold the tabs. Okay. Then fold the tabs. And then I've got my wall. I'm going to verify that it'll fit in my laundry room here. Perfect. And if it goes over stuff on your floor plan, that's fine. Okay, you got to keep in mind that you already took a picture of your floor plan, so I can see all the inside already. Okay. All right, so the last thing I have to do before I can tape this in is I have to add my door. So my door comes in, I've got it about 1/2 foot, and it's 2.5 feet wide for that room. So I'm going to come in 2.5 feet right here. Okay. And I'm going to go all the way over. And my doors are going to go up 7. And then over. And then down. Now, I have my door, in this case, opening inward. So I need to make sure that I don't cut that wall. So if I line it up here, I don't cut this wall right here because that's the one that is going to fold to make the door go inward. So I'm going to cut it just on 2 sides of my door. And then I'm going to cut the little tab out of the bottom because we don't need that. Okay, so I cut the tab out of the bottom of my door and I just cut 2 sides. If you happen to cut the wrong side when you realize when you put it in, that's fine. All you have to do is just tape the side that you accidentally cut and it'll still fold the same. So you don't need to redo it or anything. Okay, then I fold my door, and actually I folded it the wrong way because my door goes inward. It's a nice thing about folding. You can always fold it the other way. Okay, so then now I've got my door. And now I'm going to go and tape this into my laundry room. And now I've got my 3D door and 3D walls for my laundry room built. And actually it's the wall for my other bathroom too. So I've got 2 things done at once. And if they don't perfectly line up on your walls, that's fine. They should just be pretty close. I'll probably just throw a piece of tape on the inside to attach these 2 walls. And there. I've got my 3D wall added to my laundry room. And then I'm just going to keep going down the way. Again, I'm not doing exterior walls. I'm just doing the interior walls right now. And then watch the next video for doing the second floor. I'll show just a picture here of what it's starting to look like with the 3D walls added in with the doors.